Going to be opening up and taking a look at the Arcanists Arsenal deck, the Wave 2 for Malifaux 2nd edition. These are some cards they issued to cover the characters in their latest version of the book. So if you don't already have a card and you don't want to play with a photocopy out of the book, but you have the miniature from the previous edition, a lot of these cards will come in handy for you. So, just flip through them real quick, see all the ones I put in here. We have Ironsides, that's a new master. An Oxfordian Mage, we get 3 of those. We have Mouse, it's the totem for Ironsides. We have Colette de Bois, or Totem the Mechanical Dove, which you get 3 of. Cassandra, one of her henchmen. The Coryphée, you get 2, and then you get a Coryphée Duet. It's, I believe that model can join together or detach. We have Performers, you get 3 of those. You get 3 mannequins. You get Karis, she's a master. She has her henchman, the Firestarter. A totem, the Eternal Flame, kind of a construct there. We have Gunsmiths, you get 2 of those. Actually 3. You get 3 large Arachnid cards. You get 3 Malifaux Raptors. You get a Mechanical Rider. A Silent one, 3 Silent ones. Snowstorm. A Soulstone Miner. You get 3 of those. We have the Captain. Angelica, Blessed of December. You get 3 Fire Gammon, a Slate Ridge Mauler. You get 3 of those. A Union Miner, you get 3 of those. We have Willie, you get 1. An Arcane Effigy, and a Mobile Toolkit. And we have the cards that come as upgrades. So it's like we have one here for Karis, another for Karis, another for Karis, another one. We have one that's just for an MS&U. We have one for the Captain. 1, 2, 3, 4 for Colette. One for a Showgirl. One for Cassandra. 1, 2, 3. 3 for just Ironsides. Make that 4 for just Ironsides. 2 for Ironsides or a henchman. We have 3 for an Oxfordian Mage here. They look like different spells, maybe. We have just a rare 1, a rare 2, and then 1 for a leader. So that's just a quick flip through the Arcanist Arsenal deck Wave 2 for Malifaux 2nd edition.